Hey guys, so we're going to jump right into this video. As you can see, he has a very coarse hair texture, and what we're going to be doing a mid taper. He doesn't want it too high, but the thing about fading coarse hair, the hair is very resistant. And what I mean by that is the hair is very stiff, it's tightly coiled, and it doesn't want to be manipulated. So when you fade this type of hair, you have to make multiple passes. As opposed to someone with a loosely coiled hair texture or someone with straight hair, the hair will cut much more smoothly. But in this case, the hair, it takes a lot more fading to get that same blend. So next I have on the one guard, and I'm just debulking the hair just a little bit. Like I said, I don't want to go up too high because he wants to keep the length on top. Normally I would like to shape it up, but he's in the process of letting it grow out. But yeah, here I have on the one guard with the lever fully open, and then there you just saw me close it. And now I'm going to open it about halfway. And now I have on the half guard, and I'm going up under that number one guard. Now with these type of haircuts, you will notice a lot of barbers, they won't post this type of hair texture just because it's not the most appealing, but this will be, if you're in a certain demographic, this type of hair will be the majority of your haircuts. Most barbers, however, they want to post to clients with the straight hair, the curly hair, but I want to show you guys the real. So as you can see, the taper is slowly coming together. Here I'm just doing a little bit of clipper over comb just to get certain hairs. And it's funny because we were having the conversation in the chair. He was like, man, the other barbers that cut my hair, they never want to post my haircut. And I was like, yeah, that's because you have coarse hair texture. And we started laughing about that. But I just wanted to show you guys this different hair texture. So moving on to the lineup, just like with any lineup, we're going to keep everything as natural as we can. Every haircut that you do, the lineup may not look super crisp, but you still want to keep everything as natural as possible. And a good rule of thumb is just to start in the middle and work your way right or left. I'm not going to push his corners, I'm just going to go straight across. And then he also doesn't have an ideal hairline. As you can see, it kind of peaks in the middle, or it has a high rise on that right side right there. And as you can see, I didn't push it, I just went straight across. Some people may wonder why I put my finger right there. That's because I don't want to accidentally cut any of the eyebrow. That's just a habit that I do, but you can try that as well and see if it works for you. I'm always a strong advocate for using the razor. It makes the haircut last a little bit longer.
I got these like gaps right there, so I might just go like a chin scrap.
Bro, no, bro, don't chin scrap.
I'm gonna give it to December. Yeah. If it ain't full out by the end, and I just go back to the baby phase.
Yeah, I said don't chin scrap it, bro. You gonna look forward it in.
That ain't the way to go.
Don't do it. No sir. There we were joking about his facial hair. He's been trying to grow a beard for a minute, and I was telling him just let it grow. He wants to cut it down a little bit lower to where it's thinner but it's more full, and I told him just give it time. So if you guys are out there growing a beard, it takes time. Sometimes you just have to wait for genetics to kick in, and then sometimes it just takes the hair time to grow. So don't give up, just be patient. Here I'm just going to pick the hair out and just apply some moisturizer to it. I'm going to wet the hair first, once again, because it's so coarse and it doesn't want to be manipulated, so I just had to soften the hair up first. And then here I'm applying some Frederick Benjamin moisturizer to his hair. You can also shop their line of products on shop.frederickbenjamin.com, so the link is in the bio if you want to shop their website as well. As you can see, even with the sponge, the hair doesn't want to sponge up like it's supposed to. And I want to reiterate, this is not necessarily a quote unquote bad texture of hair. It's just a different texture of hair. Coarse doesn't necessarily mean bad, it's just a different texture. But here's the finished result, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give me some feedback in the comments, and I will see you all on the next video. Thanks for watching.